In this video, I'm going to show you the best free and open source image upscaler. This image upscaler is absolutely free. There is no trial period. There is no limitation on amount of images. Also, you can use batch processing for free. This AI helps you with increasing photo resolution, fixing blurry pictures, and enhancing details. The difference between this AI upscaler and other free upscaler tools on the internet is that it's not an online tool, so you don't need to wait in a queue or stay on the loading page forever. So here we are on the website called upscale.org. You can find the link in the description. As you can see, it's an open source AI software that is available for almost all of the operating systems. Now let me show you how simple it is to upscale your images with this incredible tool. First of all, download and install the software from the official website. It's a quick and straightforward process. Here, we use the Linux version. After installing, launch the application and select the images you want to upscale. You can either choose individual images or select an entire folder by enabling batch upscale. Then, customize the enhancement settings based on your preferences. Choose your desired location for saving results, and click on the Upscale button. The AI algorithms will analyze and enhance your images efficiently. Now it takes some time to enhance the image. The processing time depends on the image size, upscaling type, and system performance. To illustrate the effectiveness of the AI image upscaler, let's compare the original image with its upscaled version side by side. As you see, the result is much better and has more details than the original image. Also, you can see more samples on their GitHub page. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Also, let me know in the comments if you've tried this AI image upscaler and share your experience. See you in the next video.